English Talk Show. Learn English through real conversations.
Hey everyone, welcome to the English Talk Show podcast.
Hello. So good to have you with us today.
I'm Peter,
And I'm Erica.
and if you're here to improve your English speaking skills, you are in the right place.
Absolutely. This show is all about helping you build confidence through real, everyday English conversations.
And today's episode is going to be a little different in the best way.
That's right. We're doing a shadowing practice challenge, a super effective method to train your speaking muscles.
So stay with us until the very end. It's going to be fun and really helpful.
And hey, before we jump in, don't forget to subscribe to our podcast.
Yeah, hit that follow button and leave a comment letting us know where you're listening from.
We love hearing from our audience all around the world. We read your comments and give shout-outs in the next episode.
Okay, so let's talk about shadowing. Erica, want to kick us off?
Sure. Shadowing is when you listen and repeat after a native speaker, like an echo.
Exactly. You're copying not just the words, but also the rhythm and tone.
And honestly, it works wonders. It helps your brain, ears, and mouth all work together.
Even if it feels strange at first, that's normal. You're just getting used to speaking a new language.
Totally. And hey, it's not about sounding perfect. It's about getting comfortable using your own voice in English.
I love that. Speak slow, speak fast, just speak. Every bit helps.
And mistakes? We welcome them. Mistakes mean you're trying, and that's what matters.
You know, people think they need to speak for an hour a day.
But honestly, 5 minutes every day is better than 1 hour once a week.
Consistency beats intensity.
Every single time.
So, if you're here with us today, congrats. You're already making progress.
Peter, I think it's time we warm up their English voices. What do you say?
Let's do it. But first, big deep breath, everybody. Inhale, exhale, ready?
I love it. Okay, let's jump in.
Today, we'll go through 30 sentences. I'll say them, you repeat.
Try to match the tone, the speed, and the emotion.
And don't worry, just have fun with it.
Okay, here we go with the first one.
I'm learning English.
I'm not afraid to make mistakes.
I understand more every day.
I'm proud of the progress I've made.
I speak slowly and clearly.
I try my best every day.
I believe in myself.
I trust my learning journey.
What I do today builds my fluency for tomorrow.
I am not giving up. I'm getting better.
Even if it's slow, my journey is meaningful.
I speak English to communicate, not to be perfect.
Confidence comes one word at a time.
Each practice makes me stronger.
I understand more than I think I do.
Speaking out loud helps me learn faster.
I keep going even when it's tough.
Every mistake teaches me something new.
Every day, I become more confident in English.
Speaking English clearly is something I can do.
Even small progress is something to celebrate.
English isn't hard. It's just unfamiliar.
I discover something new every time I practice.
Today, I'm building strong English habits.
My English improves with every word I say.
Even 5 minutes a day makes a big difference.
I'm patient with myself and my journey.
This is only the beginning of my English success.
You know, Erica, I think people underestimate how powerful speaking out loud really is.
Absolutely. When you hear your own voice in English, it makes it more real.
And sometimes that's all someone needs, to hear themselves and feel, wow, I'm actually doing it.
Right? And for everyone listening, that moment is coming. Trust the process.
When I started learning a language, I used to practice in front of the mirror.
Oh, me too. I'd pretend I was hosting a talk show. It actually helped.
Whatever works, right? The key is just speaking.
That's why this challenge is so great. You don't need anything fancy.
Just your voice and a little bit of courage.
Okay, ready for another round of sentences?
Let's go. Time for some more speaking practice.
I'm becoming more confident every time I speak.
My pronunciation is getting better each day.
I learn something new in every practice session.
I am not afraid to speak English anymore.
I listen, I repeat, I improve.
I'm creating strong language habits.
I show up and speak, even when it's hard.
I deserve to communicate clearly.
My future includes fluent English.
I take one step forward every day.
Speaking English helps me grow.
I let go of fear and embrace mistakes.
My efforts are paying off.
You know what else helps? Celebrating even the tiniest victories.
Oh yes, like finishing the shadowing session, that's a big win.
Sometimes I just say, hey, I showed up today. That's enough.
Showing up is half the battle, especially on days you don't feel like it.
And this podcast makes it easier, right? We're all in it together.
100%. And it's not just practice, it's motivation, it's connection.
All right, let's do another round of shadowing. Ready?
Let's go. Repeat after us. Don't hold back.
I'm improving with every session.
English is becoming a part of my daily life.
I am more comfortable expressing my thoughts in English.
I speak clearly, even when I'm nervous.
Practice is turning into progress.
My confidence is growing with every word.
I make time for English every day.
I can feel my English skills improving.
It's okay to stumble. I keep going.
Every practice builds my fluency.
I'm learning how to think in English.
Speaking out loud is helping my brain connect the dots.
I trust this learning journey.
I'm exactly where I need to be right now.
That's right. If you're here, it means you're showing up, and that's huge.
And now, let's do one final round of shadowing practice together.
I bring energy to my English practice.
I enjoy expressing myself in a new language.
I am not afraid of making mistakes.
I celebrate every sentence I speak.
I am proud of how far I've come.
My English grows stronger with each word.
I stay calm and focused when I speak.
I feel more natural when I speak English now.
I'm building habits that will last a lifetime.
English is becoming easier every day.
I trust my progress, even if it's slow.
I am doing better than I think.
I keep learning, growing, and practicing.
I have what it takes to speak English well.
Wow, look at that. You made it to the end of this challenge.
You should feel super proud right now. Seriously.
We've said it before, and we'll say it again. It's not about perfection. It's about persistence.
And you've shown that today. You showed up, you spoke up, and you kept going.
This is exactly how fluency is built, one small step at a time.
And remember, repetition is your best friend. Don't be afraid to do this challenge again tomorrow.
If you enjoyed today's episode, please make sure to follow us and leave a comment.
Tell us where in the world you're listening from. We'd love to give you a shout out in the next episode.
And hey, if this helped you, share it with a friend who's learning English too.
Because we grow stronger when we grow together.
Erica, this was such a good session.
Always a pleasure, Peter. And a big hug to our amazing audience.
Until next time, keep speaking, keep learning, and most importantly, keep believing in yourself.
You've got this. See you in the next episode. Bye.